Madison and McKenzie Adventures.
Hey friends, we wanted to give you a quick update. Yeah, our adventures are on pause for a little while. A pipe burst in our house, and it caused a lot of damage. So while everything is getting fixed, we're staying in a hotel for now. But don't worry, we'll be back with more adventures really soon. Since we are staying in a hotel for a little while, so we were thinking, would you like a hotel adventure with us? Make sure you like, subscribe, and come along. Yay!